Do you know that making $10,000 a month as a student is possible, but probably not the way TikTok tells you? Forget the watch Netflix and get paid or work for 15 minutes a day nonsense. The truth is, building a real income takes effort, but if you choose the right opportunity, you can earn serious money without sacrificing your studies. In this video, I will share 5 realistic ways students are making thousands every month, even with little or no experience. So stay glued and let us get started. Number 1 is freelancing. Get paid for skills you already have. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning income online. If you can write, design graphics, edit videos, manage social media pages, translate languages, or even organize data, someone is willing to pay for those skills, believe me. And the best part is that you decide your schedule, making it perfect for students. Start on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn, but don't just wait for clients. Reach out to businesses and creators directly. The more people you contact, the better your chances of landing high-paying projects. Number 2. Start a print-on-demand business. Want an online business without buying any inventory? It is possible. Print-on-demand lets you sell products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, journals, and phone cases. When someone places an order, a fulfillment company prints and ships the products for you. So no inventory needed, no packaging, no shipping headaches. All you need are creative designs and a store connected to platforms like Etsy or Shopify. 3. Online tutoring. You don't have to be a genius to become a tutor. If you are good at mathematics, English language, science, or even speaking another language, there are students willing to pay for your help. So start with people you already know. Ask teachers, classmates, friends, or family members for referrals. As you gain testimonials, you can gradually increase your hourly rate. 4. Sell your notes. This is one of the most overlooked student side hustles because most students simply abandon their notes after studies. But if you already take neat, organized notes, why not turn them into an income? Convert them into PDFs, study guides, or printable planners and sell them online. Many students would rather pay for quality notes than spend hours making their own. Just make sure your school allows it before selling. 5. Build a personal brand. Social media isn't the fastest way to make money, but it can become the most profitable income over time. Create videos around something you are passionate about. Teach a skill. Document your journey. Share useful content consistently. As your audience grows, you will unlock income through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Just don't expect overnight success when you get started because consistency wins in this game. So with that said, here is the reality. There is not a magic app that makes students rich overnight. But if you master just one of these side hustles and stay consistent, reaching $10,000 a month becomes a realistic long-term goal. The biggest mistake most people make is they quit too early when they get started with learning any skill. All you have to do is stay patient, improve your skills every week, and keep showing up even the days you don't feel as to. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I post practical ways to make money online without the scams. And I want to hear from you. Which of these side hustles would you start today? Drop your answer in the comment section and I will see you in the next video.